Another train coming. Let's do that again. Loads of Autorack cars. 30. Autorack train might be slowing down, Jack. 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. There's 7. Ugly mugs. 3. There's 9. 40, 41, 2014, 42, 43, 44, 5, still in 2020, 46, 47, 48, 23. 49 and 50, 51, 52, 53, no need for alarm, 54, 55, 2020, someone wrote the F word, 56, 57, 58, 59, 2021, 60, Track Church, 61, 61 Autorack cars. That train was slowing down. Can you believe that? Symbol on a third train was a BNSF ET44C4 and a dash 9 miles 44CW leading an Autorack train pulling 61 Autorack cars. That train here starts out in Blue Island, Illinois, heads west. Train might have stopped here in Callao way the train go by a while ago when the mixed freight pulling 74 on his way west going to Kansas City, Kansas, happened on this Sunday, August 4th, 2024, by Tyler McCully, Wide World of Trains and BNSF on YouTubeland. I saw 3 trains, coal train, mixed freight, and Autorack. 3 trains in a row. Well, my name is Tyler McCully. You enjoyed the video, so have a good one.